Welcome back to another episode of Bass Bros, and today we are fishing at this pond full of giant trout. It is a spring-fed pond that the owner grows these trout huge, and I have the opportunity to fish here today. And for bait, we have some night crawlers under an indicator on our fly rod. So come along and join us for an insane day of fishing. Made it out to the pond here where there is a ton of giant rainbow brown trout and everything. Super stoked to be here. Hopefully we can catch a big one. Just using a nice juicy crawler as bait. Let's get it done.
That's a good one.
Yep.
Oh, buddy, that's a nice one too.
Goodness. Literally wasn't even paying attention.
You just dropped it right there.
I was trying to help you out. Nice rainbow.
I think that's the biggest rainbow.
Easily my biggest rainbow. Goodness. Ain't giving up.
Oh, yeah, buddy.
Yes, sir. Easily my biggest rainbow trout ever. What a beautiful, beautiful fish. Holy, he fought so dang hard.
Torpedo.
Back down he goes.
Do it once, do it twice.
Yeah.
Nice, buddy.
Thank you.
Good start. This is a little bigger.
Another little rainbow. He's a squirmy one. Back down he goes.
Nice rainbow.
Let's go. Another gorgeous rainbow. A little scrappy guy. Yeah, we're calling these small, but they're actually like good sized rainbows.
Yeah.
Squirmy guy, jeez. Ethan's got a big one over here. Beautiful trout. Heck yeah.
What a fish.
And another, this one feels a little bit bigger. Heck yeah. I'd say that's a good one.
Oh, buddy.
Let's go. Second biggest one of the day. These are such beautiful fish. Fight super hard. Just crazy that this is a rainbow trout. It's so big. And they get a lot bigger.
It's not even that big.
Oh, this is the fish that we were after today. Oh my gosh. Dude, the size of this, I can't even like understand that it's a rainbow trout.
Yeah. This is a
Nice
look.
tiger. Oh my gosh.
Oh, buddy. That's the fish, buddy. Come on.
Oh, he's running at me.
Oh, buddy.
Oh my gosh, this is literally absurd.
Camera on?
No. Oh. Oh my goodness. That is, I can't even, that's insane. This is literally
Okay,
a
you
massive.
let him fight. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Your drag is good, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, you let him fight. You
Yep.
He plays you, buddy.
Literally, it just doesn't even move.
He's gonna spin
Holy.
you around in circles until he gets tired.
Yeah, this is what we came here for.
Yeah.
This is the trout. Holy. Not done yet. Goodness.
Oh, there he goes. Big one.
Yep. Just PB after PB. Oh my gosh. There's no way that's a trout. Like, what the heck?
It just doesn't make sense.
No.
Oh my
Let's
god!
go.
That's your 20-pounder.
That's it. That's a fish of a lifetime right there. Holy crap. What a beautiful trout. It's actually insane. What a beast. It's unreal.
That's the fish in the pack.
And another giant. Another giant. Goodness gracious, guys. I gotta get him away from this this dock here. There we go. Now he's free to go. Goodness gracious, it's like a just dead weight. Absolute unit. No.
Wow.
Literal dead weight.
There's his tail there.
Yep. Goodness. Oh! Oh my gosh.
The whole pond.
Okay.
Crap.
Okay.
Thing almost taking you to your back again.
I know. Never had a fish do this before. Woo-wee.
You might have one of the 40-pounders in there.
Guess we'll find out. Hopefully.
I saw a little flash of his tail, but I don't know how big it was.
Uh-huh.
It's big, obviously, but just your regulars.
Just your regular rainbow trout. No big deal. My wrist is in pain from all these fish.
That's a good problem to have, buddy.
It's a great problem to have. It's insane.
We're just about to see him.
It's getting closer.
Big male. I caught this fish before. You remember that? Remember that crazy looking jaw?
Yeah.
That's his fish.
Not done yet.
Nope.
Goodness gracious.
That looks bigger than the other one you got.
Yeah.
That's another new PB.
It's PB after PB.
Yep. PB 12 times now.
New PB trout. Every single fish I catch is this the new PB. Oh my gosh. Barely even fits in the net. Absolutely insane male. Beautiful hook jaw on that rainbow. What a beautiful fish. This is just unreal. Every fish is just that much more beautiful. But we're gonna get him back quick. A beautiful fish.
Oh my God.
He was ready. Let's go. The size of these trout is actually unreal. Super grateful, super blessed that I have the opportunity to come out here and fish this place. It's been an unreal experience. Another nice one. Let's go, dude. Goodness gracious. It just feels like a dead weight. Definitely not as big as the other ones, but still a really good fish. Heck yeah. Another beautiful rainbow. Absolutely gorgeous fish. I don't even know what else to say, guys. This has just been such a great experience. Back down he goes. New species on the day, my first ever tiger trout right here. They look absolutely stunning. Super cool. It's not a big one, but I will take them. Been pretty slow midday here, but I caught this nice little tiger trout. They're a beautiful, beautiful fish. And we're gonna send it back on his way. See you later, bud. Got another good one on, y'all. Oh my gosh. Just like crazy how they just keep you pinned. Like I can't even move them. No, they're good and
Look at the size of that tail.
heck yeah. Yeah, that's another stud right there. It's been a minute since I got a big one like this. But man, this is so much fun. Whoa.
Nice.
He was ready.
This is my big fish of the day, finally.
Heck yeah, just gotta get him in this time.
Yeah, hopefully this one doesn't come off. Just a tiny little fly reel just reeling this huge 20, 30-pound rainbow, probably. I only had one glimpse of him, and it's big. Holy crap!
You got him.
Oh, buddy! Yes! Holy smokes! That's why I stayed over here. Oh my goodness. Buddy, wow!
What a fish.
Oh! Oh man. Weight-wise, that's probably about 15, 20 pounds, easy. Shoot him that way.
Heck yeah, bud.
Nice! Oh.
Another new species on the day. Nice little brook trout. Beautiful fish.
Back down he goes.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. These rainbows were absolutely huge. It was a great experience out here at that pond. If you enjoyed this one, be sure to leave that thumbs up. And as always, folks, fish with passion.
Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know. I wanna know.